Hi everyone, my name is Lorena KICHIK, and today I'm going to be reviewing one of my favorite hair blow dryer styling brush that is out there. It's the Revlon. Okay, so there's two. There is this old version that I got at Target, and then there's this new version that I got at Costco. So there's two. So today I'm going to be showing you guys the difference. This side will be from Target, and you see that the difference is that this one is a little bit an older version, a little bit heavier, and this one has the metal. You can see it a little bit closer. Okay, here we go. I'm going to show you guys my hair when it's down. I always like to put a little bit of I got this also at Target, but no, I didn't get it at Target. I got it at Costco, and it's an anti-breakage like protector for your hair. It's called Bamboo. Spray a little bit of it. So I parted my hair. This side is going to be the old version of the brush, and this will be the newer one. Here we go. Okay, so now I'm gonna do the newer version. It's a lot lighter, so. Okay, as you can see, they kind of both look alike. So they both dry the hair pretty awesome, and I will have to go with the newer version just because it's lighter and the wrist doesn't hurt me as much when I do. And yet again, I am not a professional, so maybe I'm doing it wrong, but if I had to pick one, I'll definitely pick the newer version because it's lighter. But as you can see, they both do a great job, blows dry my hair, and ready to go. Thank you so much for watching, and comment below, see what you guys have. Maybe you guys have a different brand that you recommend. And until next time, bye.